Hello everybody, it is Trackmaster here, and before the video gets started, please like and subscribe, and comment down below what you think the truck that we're about to build, what you think about it. So let's get out of here. What truck should we use? Which truck should we use? I mean, look how much money we have in the top right corner. So we have a lot of money there. Ooh, we could do another cat eye. Actually, you know what? No, I always use cat eyes. Ooh, we could do a Dodge. Dodge second gen. We can do a Toyota. We could do this, or we could do an S10. You know what? We're doing an S10. Alright, so I think what we're going to do is first we're going to tint. That's not tint, that's axle paint. We're going to tint it out. Before we run out of money, we're going to find rims. Okay. And if you guys are wondering, like, if you don't have much money like me sometimes, all you gotta do is you just gotta go here, pay for your thing, and you know how I only paid for 2 things of rims, obviously. Well, more like 1 because it goes for both sides, but anyway. Sorry. You see how I have the rims? Now I just gotta go to the back, go to those rims, since I bought those, and look, completely free. So let's turn these suckers black. Bead, spoke, gotta beat them back here. Okay, so that's all done. Now you want to get your lift or whatever you plan on doing. Alright, let's get our lift going here. Our width. Get the width, get the height. Okay, let's get the front jacked up just as the back. Is that level? Yes. Okay. Now we need to find tires, which I already know what kind of tires I'm going to do. Look at that. Now they're free because I just did that. We need to change this ugly pink color. Ooh, what if we do it red? Like a maroon. Ooh, that looks nice. Alright, now let's do that. I think that looks nice. That looks cool. Let's do an exhaust, which I think we're going to do a bed stack. Oh, I went too far. Bed stack, toolbox, tow mirrors. There we go. That looks actually really nice. And then we'll just upgrade the turbo a couple times. Turn her to a diesel. Oh, we don't have the money. And we don't have the money for that either. Okay, well, here we go, guys. We have a truck right now all built up. And let's go for a drive. So we're going to go to Woodlands. So, yeah, we're gonna see how this sucker goes, man. And sorry about the sound not being on. 1, because it goes over my voice and you can't even hear me. 2, some people in my last video commented that it wasn't nice, that the engine sounds are bad. I don't think they're bad. I think they're bad as in good. Like, oh my god, this is so amazing than the last update. then, you know, like that. But, hey, that's your opinion. I know what I'm talking about because I'm a YouTuber. That's your opinion, and I don't care. So, you can have your opinion, I have my opinion. We don't have to agree on anything, so. I think I'm just going to keep the engine sounds off until I figure out how to, you know, turn them down. So, but yeah, this is the truck, everybody. Oh, wheels are the wrong way. So yeah, everybody, this is the truck. If you put down in the comments what you think about it, and I'll see y'all next time.